Just coming out of the fourth annual Smart Exit Workshop, it was a great success. We had customers from many different verticals, lots of different levels of experience with smart exits, and we really learned a lot. I would say there are three main things we learned coming out of this year's event. First and foremost, we talk a lot about the importance of deterrence. Deterrence is all of what traditional EAS is based on. What smart exits do for you is they give you the intelligence. And we don't think it's one or the other. We think combining deterrence plus intelligence is really the best tool for retailers. Secondly, accuracy at the exit with the best hardware you can get is really important to make sure you're getting shrink events that are actionable. So the more accurate we can be at the exit with the solutions we deploy, the more efficient the investigators can be. We found that to be a really important topic we discussed. And thirdly, what's great about a smart exit is it's more than just a single purpose purchase. If the retailers are going to get capital for exits or anything in the stores to combat shrink, you really want to have something that they can get multiple uses of. And smart exits do exactly that. It allows you to have deterrence, intelligence, video, go after ORC, go after internal shrink, sweethearting, really a solution that meets lots of different objectives.